this is what I've done. These are more my focus of my effects. So if we go to the effects, here's all the sound effects. But if I want to get laser focus, just the AFX. That's what this is going to be. It's my AFX here with my PFX as well. And then I have my reverbs there. And then my dot 222 dot are my B effects. And you'll see here are my C effects, D, E, and F. Okay, these are all zeroed in. So then it just highlights the ones that I click on. So A, B, C, D, E, F. And then I had recap because when I'm mixing TV, these are where my stems